Today we're going to talk about understanding trust and why you need one. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Sense to Sense. I'm your host, Ashley, and today we're diving into a topic that can make a huge difference in your financial future, a trust. You might have heard of the term before, but do you really know what a trust is or why it's important to have one? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a trust is, but also why it's a key tool to protecting your assets and ensuring your loved ones are cared for. So let's get it started. What is a trust? A trust is a legal arrangement that allows you to transfer your assets, things like your money, your property, your investments, into a separate entity. Now, this entity is managed for the benefit of someone else, like your children, anyone in your family, even a charity. The person who creates the trust is called the grantor. The person who manages it is the trustee. And the person who benefits from it is the beneficiary. Say you're creating a trust for your kids, you are the grantor and they are the beneficiaries. Think of it as a protective shield for your assets. Why is a trust important? There are three main reasons why you need a trust. First, to avoid probate. Probate is the legal process of settling your estate after you pass away. That takes a lot of time. As a banker, I've seen a lot of people get frustrated with that. It can take months, years, and it's public. Everybody gonna be in your business. A trust keeps everything private and ensures your assets go directly to your beneficiaries. Second, it's for control and protection. A trust lets you set specific rules for how your assets are distributed. For example, you can say for the kids, they will receive the money once they turn a certain age or once they reach a certain milestone in life. Third, tax benefits. Depending on the type of trust, it can also help reduce estate taxes and preserve more wealth for your loved ones. Now, the types of trust you should know about. There are several types of trust, but there are two you should absolutely know about. First is the revocable trust. This is flexible and can be changed or canceled during your lifetime. It's great for maintaining control while planning for the future. Now, second is an irrevocable trust. This is set in stone once created, but it offers stronger assets and protections and tax benefits. Who needs the trust? Now, you might be thinking, do I need a trust for Ashley? I got some questions for you. The answer depends on your situation. Trusts aren't just for the wealthy. If you own property, if you have investments, or simply want to ensure your assets are handled smoothly, a trust is a smart move. We're not being messy. We don't make this time of our life easy for our loved ones. It's especially important if you have young children, blended families, or special needs dependents. So if you've been putting off creating a trust, now's the time to take action. Sit down with an estate planning attorney or financial advisor to discuss what type of trust is best for you. This is about securing your legacy and making things easier for your loved ones when they need it the most. Trusts aren't just a financial tool. They're a way to take control of your future and protect the people you care about, even in your demise. If this video helped you understand trust a little bit better, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And remember, financial independence starts with smart planning. So that's why we're doing our financial planning for financial independence. I'll see y'all in the next video.